Just 2 years ago, in 2023, in September, I started a challenge and just wanted to see if I can learn a new song on the piano every single day. I challenged myself to learn new songs, and I did this for at least 1.5 years. But not only did I learn a new song every single day, I've also grown to over 1 million followers, reaching very cool people like you and people like Pink, Macklemore or Courtney Cox. The best thing, I started sounding like a pro on the piano, like I've taken 10 years of piano lessons, when in fact I'm not a pro and I didn't even take a single piano lesson. And also incredible, I was able to help hundreds of thousands of people. I know this sounds so unreal. I'm really serious about this. I was reaching millions of people every single month. I want to give you all the secrets to also start the same way like me, learning hundreds of songs as fast as possible. Alright, so how did I do it? How did I actually start learning the piano and making this beautiful instrument sounding like I've played it for 10, 20 or 30 years? Even though I'm not even 30. Doesn't even matter, let's start right in. The first thing I did was I started humming melodies. And I know this sounds funny, but I don't want to sing to you right now, but maybe I will have to hum a little bit, okay? Because I just wanna show you how I did it exactly. And normally I just hum in my head. I have a song in my mind, like like any kind of melody, and then I just start to go to the piano and find or just imitate the same frequencies. So let's say for solos, for example, I just have the melody in my head and then I just find the right frequencies and I can play the song. But it's not about this song right now. So let's say and I will search it. You hear that? This is perfect. I'm just searching for the same frequency. It's perfect. And now okay, really simple, just these 4 notes. And this is how I just simply found melodies of any kind of song. Also for River Flows in You, for example. I was just like, da, da, da. Then I was like, okay, let's find this note. Da. Or I could take this one. Da, do, to hum it higher. And then you will see. Da, da. Oh. You see? It matches perfectly fine. And of course, it took me hours to do this. But the good thing is, you get better day by day. Every single day, you get better. You train your ear and you will become like a pro on the piano. Maybe not a pro, but you will sound like a pro. I think you get the point. The bad thing for me and the good thing for you, I didn't know about scales. So there's just a pattern of notes that you can always take to go from 12 notes available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can cut it down to only 7 notes, making your piano progress so much faster. This is why I just came together with the complete scales cheat sheet. Go to the link in the description down below and download it now so you will have it for life. Let's just say we do another thing. Let's just say da 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 da. I know I can't sing, but let's try to find this. Da 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 da. You see? It takes time, also for me sometimes, but when you get this, you will get really quick to make melodies. And just like this, you have the first melody found simply by humming. Now the second thing you can do is to start finding 4 left-hand notes. I wanna just make this clear. You only have to find 4 notes. This is all. Just find 4 simple notes for the left hand and you are done with the big thinking part. Let's recap. We have these 3 notes. Let's say maybe for this song that we just make up, we just always use these 3 notes. I will just blend in the right scale for this song that I just think fits this song. And you will see we only have 7 colored notes available to search for our 4 notes that we have to find. Now the only thing I do is I just always play the right hand and go on the search for the right notes. I don't know where the starting point is, but maybe let's just take this one. And this one sounds good already. Maybe take the second note. Sometimes I just hit it more times to hear it more often. I don't like it that much, so let's just go to the third one. This one sounds good. So the first one sounded good. The third one also sounds good. Let's go to the fourth one. It's not bad, but it's also not good, I think. Let's just move on to the next one. Also beautiful. Now I take this one. It also sounds beautiful. You see that with the scales cheat sheet, all of a sudden it's so easy to find these 4 bass notes or these 4 left-hand notes. It's so easy. And let's just take this note right here, but because I'm already playing it, I will just move down to the lower frequency right here. This one sounds beautiful. Okay, let's recap, because now I would simply start here again. This one sounded good. This one sounded good, I think. Very nice. All of a sudden I already have my 4 bass notes or my 4 left-hand notes. Simple, right? Do you think it's complicated? If yes, I don't know, maybe I have to work on myself, but I think it's really, really simple. Now with this, we can do something really beautiful, because the third thing I want to tell you is you now want to sound like a pro, even if you're not a pro. When I started uploading videos, I was just testing my ways on learning songs and just to sound beautiful on a piano, and people were calling me like the master of piano. They wanted me to upload songs on Spotify. I was just feeling like I'm just doing some simple stuff. I'm not even understanding the piano fully, but still enough to sound like a pro. And this is exactly what we want to do. Now, luckily for you, I will just give you all the secrets. So let's keep going. For the left hand, we found F sharp, this A, D, and E. So we basically just always do this over and over again. We start again. We start again. I think you get the point, right? But now we don't just want to hit our pinky all the time, because I don't know, let's just use the whole hand. We have 5 fingers, hopefully. I hope everyone has 5 fingers. We just use the pinky, and we have 4 other fingers available to play more. So let's do it very simply. We count to 7 and to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Play this together. We have 3 notes that sound really amazing. At least I think so. Let's do the same thing and see if the same thing works with the A right here, with the second left-hand note. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright. Also sounds cool. Let's do the same thing for D. Because some people are still thinking piano is hard. Let's just count. Like, anyone can come to the piano. Even if you never touched the piano, I can tell you, go to the piano, count to 7 and to 12, you play a chord. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not hard, right? The same thing for the E. And you have chords. So instead of just playing F sharp, A, D, and E, we can now play the chords we just learned. And look at the pinky, F sharp, A, D, and E. So this one stays the same. The root note is just the same as we started off with the 4 left-hand notes. We just added some additions, or some bonuses, like some sparkle, let's just call it like this, to make it even more beautiful. And now I could simply play. Oh, I played the wrong one, sorry. I can also go up. Beautiful, right? Maybe with broken chords, so instead of just playing it like this, we play each note individually. You will sound like this. And now you can add just something to your right hand. Let's just say I want to expand on the melody. So maybe say I will not just play like this. Maybe I play just some variations, like you can make these things up, alright? So let's just say I play like this. Let's just play around. You see this? You can just start to play around. There are no rules to music. Of course, if you want to learn songs, it's much easier. Just use the scales and just hum the melodies, but you can also just make up your own stuff. Just set your goal to learn one song every single day, even that it takes you maybe 1 or 2 hours to sit in front of the piano and just try to come up with like a 10 or 20 second section of a song. It's really not that complicated. It just needs a little bit of effort and time, and you will do this. And if you want help learning piano and playing 3 songs in just 7 days, there is also the 7-day piano starter course that is out there almost for free. So click the link in the description, download the scales cheat sheet completely for free, and maybe you're interested in the 7-day piano starter course, because there you will find more videos like this, just making the piano simple. I'll see you in the next one.